Amatura maria matanyitwo kugunekana mutaratara uyu ni hamwe na gicigo kia ubunge gia Kigumo, Kadra na Gataga.
Sasa hii laptop itakusaidia.
Ari thukuru-ini wa secondary wa Charles Rwanga igongona-ini ria gutuga arutwo kuria arari mugeni wa gitio. Minister Chelugui ni ahimbiirie kuongerereka kwa maai damu-ini ya Ndaka-ini maria gukinya riu makinyite gikiro kia 47 gaturumo 2.
My appeal to the people of Murang'a, as we work on these waterworks to transfer water from this county to other counties, we have also complementary waterworks in this county.
Oigite thirikari ni kwambika mitaratara itiganite ya utegi wa maai temini ria gutigirira bururi wina gicunji kia 60 hari igana nginya gicunji kia 40 hari igana kia maai kwa ihinda ria miaka 3 yukite.
We are going to do this through water storage facilities. One of them is of the dams is Murang'a Dam, which is here in Kigumo. Another one is Kate and Daruku on the same river downstream. We have Kameme Dam in northern part of Tundu.
Mutaratara wa gwikira maai micii iria iri thiini wa kaunti ya Murang'a ukite mieri minini thutha wa ngucanio iria iriga gutumuka atongoria kaunti iyo makiuga makoretwo matiganeirio maai mao magiteithia andu a kaunti ingi.